What's up, guys? So in today's video I'm gonna be talking about this new app. It's called Rubik's Match, and this is also really special because this is my very first screencast, so I hope this goes well. Alright, so let's install this app. Oh wait, what? Available? Okay, I'm gonna watch this video. Wait, why can't I hear anything? Bro, come on. And yes, I'm a huge fan of Beyblade. I used to be a huge fan of Beyblade X, but I don't really play it that much. I got a new obsessing thing. So wait, I'm gonna go back to this app, and then let's just I'm just gonna pause the screencast until it goes 100%. And yes, you might hear some background noise because right now I am outside, and I also think that this is my very first video that I am making outside because this is a screencast. So okay, again, let's go. Let's pause. I'm gonna pause it, and then I'm gonna wait until it's 100%. And maybe it's going slow because I'm outside, of course, again. So where was I? I'm so sorry. My mom disturbed me. By the way, I'm saying that it was really slow. It's really slow because I'm outside again, and so that's why there might not be really that much good internet. So yeah. So I'm just gonna again 100% in 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, let's go. Installing. Well, but that's not 100%. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, good. All right, let's hide that thing. Let's play. And volume all the way to 100. Oh, wow! Actually, that's so cool, bro. That's so cool. Allow Rubik's Match 3D puzzle to send you. Yes, allow. I'm gonna lower down the volume. Okay, by tapping, they confirm. Okay, confirm, accept. Of course, I don't have to read that all. Whoa, thanks for being an early bird. Here's your reward. Okay. Ignore that noise. It was a car. Oh, let's go. Wait. Oh my god. No way. Okay. Alright, this one's easy. I'm used to this, okay? Oh, it's 1 by 1. I don't really know if I need that, so... The pyramids! It's another pyramid stick. Come on. I want him to... Oh, those don't move. Okay. I'm gonna try making... Can't you swipe diagonal? Oh, that's a Rubik's snake. Yeah, I'm learning how to make the Rubik's snake, so... Yeah. See, guys, I'm really good. Why can't I ever swipe diagonally? This is just not so unfair. Bro, I keep swiping diagonally. No, there's no need of Rubik's snake at all. I don't know. What? There were moves here? No, I'm not gonna. No. Are you kidding me? I have 4 lives. I don't care. I lost your life. I'm not wasting my coins. Let's do this again. Oh wait, this is easy. Yes. No. Yeah, I'm doing way better than last time. Yeah, see guys? I told you I'm good. Yeah, a 1 by 1. A 2 by 2. Yes! Please. Yes! I did it! Yes, let's do Rubik today. That is a match. New elements. Tap to continue. Looks like our experiments went wrong. We're trapped in the world the Rubik's Cube is created. But why is this empty? I guess we'll have to build it up and clear the fog if we want to find our way back down. Okay, so Rubik's Twist. Oh, it's called Rubik's Twist. Oh, a 2 by 2. Yes. Snakes. Or a twist. Alright, just 2 more. I have 15 moves left. It's gonna be fine. Yes. Let's go. I finished in 12 moves. My brother running towards me, so don't mind the background noise. Alright, please be quiet, brother. Indra. Okay, let's go. Wow. Okay. Wait, I got a power up. Let's go. Oh, wait, what? I didn't get that? Wow. Hey, what's up? Goals. Okay. You gotta count on me, guys. Okay, good. I don't waste moves like that. Let's go. Yes. Yes. Bro, I wanted some more. Yes. Let's go. Any more? That's all? Yes. Let's go. Bro, are there any 2 by 2s in this game? There's only 2 by 2s. That's how much I've seen. I have 10 moves left. Do you guys think I'm gonna do it? Yes! Yes! Come on, Star. I mean, Pyramid. Oh, let's go. Wait, did I just waste my 1 by 1? No, that snake is not gonna help me with anything. Alright, fine. Alright, just 2 more. No! This is not going good. I only have 3 moves here, as you can see. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Okay. What? How do I? Oh. Yes, a 2 by 2. Okay. Yes! No! No! Again! Oh my god. Huh. Try again. Oh, I can do way better. Remember how last time I failed, but then did way better last time? Remember? I'm going back in the car. Oh my god, the car's locked. Okay. Ow! Okay. A 1 by 1. Last one. A 2 by 2. Let's go! So far, the 2 by 2 is my hope. Okay. Let's... A 2 by 2. Oh, cool. 17 moves. Oh, a 2 by 2. No, I'm not gonna lose. Yeah. Let's go. See? I told you I can do way better. I told you. Yeah. I got a new... Oh, what is that? I don't know. Wait. Our doc's a scramble. Okay. Not just floppy disk to move me. Oh, wait. Oh, this is a new island. Okay, I have 3 more. I need that one. What? I already finished? That was a really good match. I got 35 points. No fair. Wow. I hope that new element is going to be good. Mission. Okay, finish our tasks. Keep your streak for the rewards. Okay. No, wait, no. I have to build. I want to build. Wait, did I get infinite heart? Wait, am I wasting heart for this? Okay, I have to do this fast. Alright, let's go. Let's go, I'm here. I have to do this fast. Wait, did I... Okay, level 5, let's go. Oh, wow, this is not an easy one. This is an easy one. No way, I just finished it. I just have 4 more to go. 2 by 2. Exactly in 0 moves. Alright, let's go. I guess that was a waste. I guess that was not a waste. Wow, I only have 10 more to go. No! That destroyed my 2 by 2. No. Okay, I have 2 more to go. I guess that one works. Let's go. Alright, let's do a last round. Then I will make a part 2 video about this. Okay. Then I'll make a part 2 video about this. Okay. Okay, let's go back to that. I'm doing this by myself. Wow. Okay, guys. What? Sledgehammer. Oh, sledgehammer. Sledgehammer. That's actually really smart. Okay. I'm just gonna finish this quick. Let's go. Do I waste coins to build items? Okay guys, I guess this is... Oh wow, I just noticed this thing right here. Okay guys, okay, I can't handle this. This is a really fun game. No, I don't want to. Wow. Oh, this is like a really fun game. I can't stop playing. Alright, 2 by 2. Alright, 2 more to go. No, I don't have that many moves. Come on, give me a hint. Alright, I guess. Oh, that's sledgehammer actually. Bro, what? I did it! I did it! Alright guys, I guess this is the end of the video. So if you like this video, I'm so sorry for that how do you say it? I know this word. Interruption. I'm so sorry for that interruption. And if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna make a part 2 video about this. So yeah, be aware of that. And yeah, I'll try making new videos probably every 2 weeks. I don't know, but yeah, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yes, bye. And yep, have a good luck. I don't know how to do the ending without my cap or like the toolbox, but see you later, guys.